Hey, it's Karen, Mama's Cool Things. This is my product review on Rollisole shoes. I was really excited to find these at Conway last week, especially in metallic pink. They were $6.99. The insert that came with them, it has directions on how to roll them up and throw them in this little bag that it comes with, which is also actually pretty cute. You can't see because it's black and I'm wearing black pants. There's the Rollisole, and then at the bottom it says, keep your feet on the ground and your eyes on the stars, rollisole.com. The little insert that came with it, it tells you when to use your Rollisoles. I know you can't even see on this camera, so I'll just show you my cute shoes. It says when you're clubbing, dance all night, then walk on home, driving or shopping, slip off your heels and hit the shops. So it also said that the guy that invented them, which is Matt Horan, he had a mini epiphany while giving his girlfriend a piggyback ride home late one night, so that girls could walk home after dancing at the club and their feet are really hurting. I thought that was awesome. They definitely should have sold these when I was at Penn State from 97 to 2001, because I walked home barefoot all the time. So here they are, and then when you take them off, they actually do just roll up. They came rolled up. They roll up into each other. And then they have a little bag, and you can throw them in the purse. I thought they were great because we travel a lot, and I don't like to have bare feet in hotel rooms or to walk down the hall to get ice. So that is my review. Awesome product for $6.99. Pick up a couple pairs, give them to your girlfriends for birthday parties, bridal showers, anything like that. They're just a great gift. Alright, that's all.